To use Authorize Net CIM integration, you need to understand what it is and how it works. Authorize Net CIM stands for Customer Information Manager, and it is a secure way to store customer payment information. This allows customers to make repeat purchases without having to re-enter their payment information each time. First, you need to create an account with Authorize Net and obtain an API login ID and transaction key. These will be used to authenticate your requests to the Authorize Net server. You will also need to set up a CIM account within your Authorize Net account. Next, you need to decide how you want to implement the CIM integration. There are two main options: the Accept Customer Hosted option or the Accept Customer option. The Accept Customer Hosted option allows you to host the payment form on your own server, while the Accept Customer option has Authorize Net host the payment form. Once you have decided on the implementation method, you can start integrating the CIM API into your website or application. This involves sending a request to the Authorize Net server to create a customer profile and payment profile. The customer profile contains information such as name and address, while the payment profile contains the actual payment information. After the customer profile and payment profile have been created, you can use them to make transactions. This involves sending a request to the Authorize Net server with the customer profile ID and payment profile ID. Authorize Net will then use this information to process the transaction. Best practices for using Authorize Net CIM integration include using secure protocols such as HTTPS to protect customer information. You should also make sure to validate customer information before sending it to the Authorize Net server. In terms of practical examples, you can use the Authorize Net CIM integration to allow customers to save their payment information for future purchases. This can be especially useful for businesses that have repeat customers. You can also use the CIM integration to allow customers to manage their own payment information, such as updating their credit card expiration date. Overall, the Authorize Net CIM integration is a powerful tool for businesses that want to provide a secure and convenient way for customers to make repeat purchases. By following the steps outlined above and using best practices, you can effectively integrate the CIM API into your website or application and start providing a better experience for your customers.